Hi, so in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to convert your browser tab to a desktop shortcut so that you don't need to always come to the browser, search your history, or go to your bookmark to access a particular site. All you can do is to just go to your desktop, make it an icon, and then double click it to go straight to that particular site. It is very easy. This will enable quick access. This will save you time. Remember, using computer is all about optimizing your time and performance while getting a quality job done. Now, this is my portfolio, simple site. I want to create. Uh, I want to create a desktop shortcut so that I can always access my portfolio anytime I need it directly from my shortcut, from my desktop shortcut, instead of having to type this link always. So what I will do is, if you're using Chrome, okay, this particular exercise is carried out with Chrome browser. So you come over to this three dots here and click on Cast, Save, and Share. Cast, click Save and Share. Then you click on Click Create Shortcut. Create Shortcut. This is it here. So you click on it and then you give it a title. So I'll just leave it as my portfolio, or you can choose to give yours a title that you feel befits that site, so you can easily recognize it when you get to your desktop. So click on create, and here we are. It's already my desktop. So minimize this, and here we are, my portfolio. So you can choose to change the icon. You come over to properties. This is it. You can click on change icon if you want to change the icon to another icon of your choice. Then you can browse wherever the icon is placed, choose where it is, and your videos, whatsoever path in your system the icon is found, you select it and click on open. So for this, I'll leave it the way it is. Click on OK. I can always change how I want it to run. A normal window, minimize, maximized. So when I click on it, do I want it to be minimized? Do I want it to be maximized? Then if I want to add the shortcut key, I can, and check the security. Would you want to access it? General. So basically, this is how you create a desktop shortcut or a desktop icon of website. So let me double click it to open it. Here we go. Site is open. So I don't have to always click here, type the site. By creating the icon, I can always access this site from the desktop. Let me close it again and open it. There we go. Is it opening? Yeah. So this is it. All right. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, kindly like it, comment, and also share to others. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.